All right, let's take a look at our next example. Now, unfortunately, when I uploaded this, something happened to the graph, so we're going to have to make do. So let's graph our points, -5, -5. So this one we can see. We're going to go ahead and change this to C A T. Okay, so there's C. A is at 2, 5, so that one's okay. And T is at 6. So here's 5, 6, -5. So that's right there. It's a little bit off, but we'll make do. That's T. So this is our triangle we're going to use. All right, so now it says round your answer to the nearest 10th place. So we'll have to use our calculator for this. First thing, let's find CA. So CA, I want to know how far is it from here to here. I can't just count that because it's diagonal. But we're going to do like we did from the last problem. We are going to make a triangle. And do the Pythagorean theorem. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so we want to find this side. So using our Pythagorean theorem, let's go ahead and do 7 squared plus 10 squared equals c squared. 49 plus 100 c squared. So I get 149. And I'm going to need the square root both sides now. So the great thing about rounding to the nearest 10th is I don't need to worry about trying to simplify this. So I'm just going to plug that into my calculator. And the square root of 149 gives us 12.2. So that means that this side is equal to approximately 12.2. All right, now let's find AT. So AT is this side. And let's use green. All right, so remember we had to add to this a little bit. And so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is also 10. So plug it into our Pythagorean theorem. This gives us 4 squared plus 10 squared equals c squared. So 16 plus 100 is 116. Square root both sides. So now in your calculator, you're going to do the square root of 116. Which is 10.77. And so since it's 10.77, where's my 10.77, when we go to the nearest 10th, that means I only want one digit after the decimal. And so this is actually going to become 10.8 because we had to round. And now our last side is going to be CT. And since that's nice and straight, nice on the horizontal, we can just count it. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so now the question says perimeter. So for perimeter, if I can do this here, it's going to be the yellow plus the green plus the, whatever, the blue. Oops. All right, so we have 12.2 plus 10.8 plus 11. Work that out. And that gives us a perimeter of 34. Don't need to worry about rounding on this one. And since it's just perimeter, it's just units. For area, now you got to remember this formula. Area equals 1/2 base times height. So my base, we already have. So bottom, I'll put that number here. The base was 11. And now I got to find the height. Well, the height of a triangle goes from the top down to the base. So it's going to be this line. And so we just need to count that. Well, we've already counted it over and over again. It's 10. So from here all the way up to here is 10. We got to plug that in. Half of 11 times 10 is just going to give us 55 units squared. So we'll just do that one for this video. I hope it helps.